You and I are going to change the world.
Hello Grishaverse fans, welcome to the Shadow and Bone Netflix book tag. I'm creating this new book tag where I'll ask 10 questions related to the Shadow and Bone and Six of Crows books and the Shadow and Bone Netflix series. Stay tuned till the end because at the end of this video, I'm going to tag some Shadow and Bone content creators. Hello everyone, welcome to Ultimate Book Maniacs, the one-stop for book and TV series reviews. A few months ago, there were a couple of book tags going around in the Wheel of Time community, which were created by Ridhima and Lesbi Nerdy. It made me want to do a Shadow and Bone book tag, but when I looked it up on YouTube, I couldn't find any Shadow and Bone book tag. That's why I wanted to create this book tag for our Grishaverse fandom. And don't worry if you haven't read all the books. Even if you've read just one series in this world, you can still do this book tag. I've tried to keep the spoilers to a minimum, so if you haven't read the books and don't mind teeny tiny spoilers, you can still watch this video. So without waiting any longer, let's get to the book tag. The first question is, when did you start reading this series and how did you hear about it? I read Shadow and Bone back in 2013. I don't exactly remember how I heard about it, but around that time, I have been reading a lot of young adult books like Vampire Academy, Morganville Vampires, Kate Daniel series, The Hunger Games, Twilight, etc. So I think this book showed up on my recommendations on Goodreads. The second question is, who is your most favorite character in the whole Grishaverse? Definitely Casbreaker. His mind is so beautiful, he's just brilliant. It almost feels like he's invincible because no matter how powerful his enemy is, Kaz always thinks 10 steps ahead of them and he defeats his enemies with his mind. The third question is, who is your favorite Shadow and Bone cast? I love them all so much, it's really hard. The Grisha characters weren't exactly what I pictured in my mind, but I still love them. But the crows are so perfect, it just feels like they stepped out of the book. Who knows? Maybe Netflix has a secret character summoner power and they used it to summon the characters from the books. Anyways, if I have to pick just one crow, I'll go with Jesper. His charisma, his looks, it's exactly how I pictured in my mind. The fourth question is, if you could get one of the Grisha powers or the crow's talents, which one would you choose? Once again, it's Kaz. I would like to have Casbreaker's brilliance. It feels like he can do anything with his brilliant mind. Fifth, which crossover or character interaction do you want to see the most between Shadow and Bone and Six of Crows series? I would love to see the interaction between the Darkling and Casbreaker, the most powerful Grisha in the world versus the most brilliant mind. Judging from what we have seen so far, it seems like my wish will come true. Moving to the next question. Which scene from the books do you really want to see on the show? For me, that's Alina going into the Shadowfold and destroying the Volcra. I know we have seen glimpses of it in the trailer, but I want to see the whole scene because when I read the books, I just pictured the Shadowfold as completely black. I just couldn't picture how it looked from the outside, but it looks really great on the trailer. The seventh question is, what's your favorite quote from the Grishaverse? My favorite quote is from Six of Crows. There was no part of him that was not broken, that had not healed wrong, and there was no part of him that was not stronger for having been broken. I love this quote. It's so inspiring. I think all of us have gone through some really bad times, and this quote just gives so much strength. Another one I really like is from Jenya, which basically means the same thing. I used to pronounce her name as Genya, but I recently found out that it's called Jenya. So her quote, I'm not ruined, I'm ruination. It's so powerful. Even those who haven't read the books could feel its power. But if I have to pick one, I think I'll go with Jenya's quote. I'm not ruined, I'm ruination. Eighth, who are your most and least favorite couple and why? My most favorite couple is Vesper. Their chemistry is so good. I just love Jasper, and I also love Villain. Maybe it's called Villain, but that's how I pronounce his name in my mind. I just love them as a couple, and I think they have the most healthy relationship in the entire Grishaverse. As for my least favorite couple, maybe they were not exactly a couple, but I didn't like Mal and Zoya. What's their ship name? Moya? No, I just didn't like them together. The ninth question is, if you could go to the Grishaverse and become one of the book characters, who would you choose? Definitely not the crows. They have such tragic past that I'm not sure I could go through it all. So the character I'll choose is Alina. Her journey is so amazing, discovering her unique power and then getting to meet the Darkling, and her entire journey is exciting, including the good and the bad. And the last question is, which character inspired you the most? Definitely the crows. Each of them have taught me something unique. Like Nina has taught me, it's okay to enjoy what you love and not worry about what others think of you. Kaz has taught me that nothing is impossible if you put your mind to it, brick by brick. If you keep moving towards your goal and if you'll have patience, you will eventually reach it. But I'm not going to pick that one either. I'm going to pick Villain. He couldn't read, and in some people's mind, that was a really huge flaw. But he still found people who loved him for who he was. So he taught me that it's okay to not be perfect in life. The people who really love you would still love you for who you are, no matter how many flaws you had. 11th, tag some Shadow and Bone content creators or fans. Before I get to the content creators, I wanna tag the whole cast and producer of the Shadow and Bone Netflix series because I know they have all read the books and they all love it. I know it's very unlikely they will do it, but it would make my day if they did. Fingers crossed. Anyway, so the Shadow and Bone content creators I'm going to tag are Eric and Terry from the Grisha Cast podcast, Rebecca from Reading the Pattern, who is almost done with her Six of Crows duology, and I want to tag Piara Ford because I know she loves this series, and I'm going to tag Elliot Brooks and Reads with Rachel, who is another Shadow and Bone content creator. I'll also tag the whole Grishaverse fandom. If you've read any of these books, you are welcome to do this book tag. I hope you enjoyed this book tag, and I'm looking forward to watching everyone's videos. So, if you enjoyed this book tag, make sure to hit the like button below, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you in my next video.